Those who opt for the premium pack will get internal breeze block panels. They come in our model board, so they do need painting. All I've done is used a white primer. That's what I'm going to use, and a numerical order, top one, so 1, 2, 3, 4. The top one will go from the left hand side, so facing inwards if you have your panel. So bear with me 1 second while I get a spare panel. So this is a panel I painted in silver with a revised grille. So basically, so looking inwards, so your number 1 panel goes there, 2 there, 3 there, and 4 there, and they obviously fit between the roof supports. They're designed for the brickwork to sort of like continue basically as though it was a whole one brickwork. The standard pack will just have blank pieces just to cover, because obviously if you paint this black you'll see the glue here. It looks a bit unsightly, so you still need to cover it. So the standard pack will come with plain, premium pack will come with breeze blocks, and they just need to be glued into place. You won't need much, just a few little dabs around, plonk it in place, and make sure that it's flush with the bottom. And I suggest that most probably ideally putting these on once you've done the roof supports and not before. And if you can do it before you glue it all together, it's entirely up to you, but I've glued all mine together, so I'm just literally going to take it off, tip it on its side, and then fit them into position. Use a spare piece of MDF to fit here, so I know that when I fit it on it'll be flush with the bottom. So I'll take these out, glue them to the panels, and then I'll show you when that's done. When you come to add your internal breeze blocks or just standard panels, you can use this little piece of MDF to press down against the side panel so it sticks, and you can use it for anything else if you want to, holding the side panels, gluing as well, most probably the end panels. But I just created this little bit. It's just a couple of millimeters shorter than the breeze block panels, but ideal for just holding in place while the glue adheres to the side of the acrylic. And these are simply held with a small tag right in the middle, top and bottom of each one. You use your zippy blade or knife to cut them out, and you'll see it looks like that, and then you can fit them in along there. I haven't glued them in yet, but I just wanted to make sure that they fitted correctly, so they're ready to be glued in place. So all I'm doing when I fit it is just fit it about 3/4 of the way up, so it's protruded out from down the bottom, and then I'm literally placing the shed back as it should be, and it forces the brick panel up, and then it's flush with my floor, and then I just hold it into position for a minute so while it glue dries. So I continue to do the rest, and then what I've done is just place the shed back onto the base to make sure we can get them as flush to the bottom as possible. You're never going to get them exactly, but that's as good as it's going to get. That goes all the way down the end and makes it look a little bit more realistic. Then we'll move on to the other side.